Hello everyone, today I'll be speaking about the ProxMox. It is an open source platform for virtualization. This system has a web interface, a fast configuration, and maybe you have that very main question, why is it needed? And of course I will answer you. Just imagine that you create your gate server for your company and everything is working, but once upon a time something is wrong with the only one device that interconnect your office with the other world. And you begin to find the problem, maybe change hardware or try to find program mistakes, but it is a time when the office is not online. And that is why you need ProxMox. You can make several virtual machines on the one ProxMox server. Each of them will execute some specific tasks. It could be the DHCP server, DNS server, ProxMox, firewall, and so on. And it is only half of the solution. For 100% reservation, you must wake up the second server and make copies of the working virtual machines. And in addition to that, your second server will provide some services too. Shortly, in case of collapsing for the first server for some reasons, all services will be executed by the second server, and it will not matter what kind of server hardware physically you have. It's absolutely virtual machine independent for the hardware. And today I'm going to show you how could you install ProxMox and how could you get the base configuration of the net filter.